I just made $2,046 in the past 7 days online, drop servicing and selling rare high income skills without doing the work myself. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact process that I did so that hopefully you can replicate this and get some results online. Let's get straight into it. The first step is we need a platform where we can host our own landing pages. I'm going to be using Kartra for that. So Kartra is a platform where you can host your own landing pages, connect your own domains without any coding knowledge, and you can import done for you forms, pages that are already created for you. You don't need any web development or coding knowledge. Don't worry, I'm actually going to put together a page for you in this video and actually give it to you. So make sure to keep watching for that. Secondly, we're going to be needing a freelance marketplace platform where we can hire freelancers to do different tasks for us, such as graphic and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, audio and video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech. And all of these categories over here are separate businesses that we can go and create, and basically agencies where we can offer these services. Fiverr is a very powerful platform, so definitely suggest that you write this one down. The second step is we're going to continue with Kartra. You just need to log in or create an account. Now, Kartra is a paid tool. However, you can get a free 30-day trial. Within that time, one drop servicing sale that you can make from this video that I'm teaching you will pay off your Kartra account. If you don't want to pay for Kartra, use an alternative called WordPress, which is completely for free. Over here on my Kartra dashboard, on the left-hand side, you want to click on My Campaigns over here. Click on My Campaigns. It's going to take you to a page like this where you can import done-for-you campaigns completed and created by Kartra or other users that use Kartra. So over here, I've got an entire ebook agency cover / design drop servicing agency that sells ebook cover and writing services. Let me show you that landing page and let me show you how you can get it. So I'm just going to quickly come back to my pages over here. Just going to scroll down and look for it. Here's the landing page here. Just going to get the link. And here you can see is the landing page with a done for you logo, done for you menu bar, the pricing tab, the different covers that have already been made by this website or this company that I created, some notes all about this business, professional, affordable, and perfection that sells your product, and any other styles that you've added over here. The simple 4-step process that you need to do to complete your order process and actually get your order finalized, what our customers say, and then the price of our services that your customers can buy online. This is connected to PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and Braintree, which are the 4 more main ways that you can get paid through this website. So all 4 of them are accepted worldwide, and that's how you get paid through your website for offering these services. But don't worry, I'm not going to go through a whole long video in this YouTube video showing you how to create this. At the end of this, I'm going to show you how you can get this for free and import it for you to use. Just come back to the campaign section over here. Here you'll see is the shared cover agency. I'm going to give that code to you at the end. Just click on the 3 dots. All you want to do is click on deploy over here. Make sure to keep watching because at the end of this video, I'm going to give this to you. Once this is deployed, you will see on your pages section, you've got the ebook cover landing page, you've got the checkout page, and then you've got the thank you page over here. So all the pages completed for you. This thank you page over here is how you collect all this information from your clients, such as the full title that they want made, the author name, the book title, genre, subtitle, tagline, blurb, and additional notes. All you're going to do is you're going to transfer this information to your freelance worker on Fiverr. So just come over to writing and translation, look for, let's just go ebook writing in the search bar, quicken up the process. Over here, you can come over to, for example, this person over here. They're charging you $30 and they will be your ghost writer. Now on my website, I am charging $69 for the basic package, $199 and $599. So on $30, I am making $39 profit. That's over 100% profit. On the standard package, I'm making about 80% profit. On the pro package, I'm making about 120% profit. And I'm not doing this work myself. You don't have to make ebooks. You don't have to make these covers. The person on Fiverr is going to make this ebook for you. You just need to transfer it back to your client. But let me show you how to find the right service provider. This is something that is not spoken enough when it comes to drop servicing. Now, when you want to do drop servicing, my 3 favorite niches is programming and tech, digital marketing, and writing and translation. So since I'm already in the writing and translation niche in this video with ebook writing, all you need to do is just click on your niche over here. Just go book an ebook writing over here. And when looking at these people over here, you want to take a look at the people with a lot of reviews and with a good star rating. So for example, let's take a look over here. I'll write the perfect ebook. This person over here has 5-star reviews at 27 reviews. So they're quite new. Click on them. You want to go scroll down and have a look at their profile. Firstly, you want to see when they were a member. So this person has been a member for 3 years on this website. Means they have good experience. They're obviously good at what they do because they've so far got only 5-star reviews. So this is a good person to use. I usually don't use anyone who hasn't been on the platform for less than a year. And then the latest delivery, 17 hours. Average response time 3 hours, which is very quick. So if you ever need support, your client needs support from you, you can even drop service the support through this person over here, and they will only take 3 hours to respond. Very good. So definitely recommend this as a person to drop service. It's a very simple way to identify. What you can also do is you can also contact them, type out, "Hi there, I'm creating an entire ebook agency book cover writing business. I'm going to be running Google ads, Facebook ads, all sorts of promotion services, and I'm going to be using your services to write my ebooks. Is there any way we can negotiate some kind of bulk discount?" And maybe she'll actually charge you less, that your profits and margins can even be more. And also remember, your client's going to pay you first. So on your landing page, of your book cover landing page, your customer first pays you $69. So if you have nothing, you can then use that $69, come over to Fiverr, pay them $35 from that $69, and you're just going to keep whatever's left over in your pocket. And that's how you make money with drop servicing. So it literally takes a couple of seconds. And I also want you to notice, have a look at how I've got a coupon code at the bottom for new authors. So I'm enticing people that have first come to this website to use this coupon to make them place an order, kind of as like an exclusive discount that's only valid now. It's a great marketing trick a lot of e-commerce developers and entrepreneurs use to get people to place orders on their website. From here, all you want to do is you want to come over to this website called trends.google.com. This is a website where you can identify trends in the world. So let's go ebook writing. So if I click on enter, just wait for this to load, and I click on, instead of United States, worldwide, filter by worldwide, over here you can see currently in Nigeria, Pakistan, Philippines, and the United States, and Vietnam, ebook writing is trending the most in the world. So what we can go and do is we can use this tool to identify where virality is, make use of that virality to blow up. So what we can go do is we can go and create a company, aka a landing page like this, and name it Nigeria Ebook and Copywriting Services, or the official Nigerian ebook writing and copywriting services company. You want to create a website very similar to this, or you can actually just edit this one that I'm going to give you at the end of this video. So make sure to keep watching with that. And you want to then come over to Google, just type in Google Ads. Click on that. We want to click on this first link over here, get more customers with easily online advertising. Just click on Start Now over here. Click on New Campaign over here. Just click on Plus New Campaign. You want to click on Website Traffic over here. You want to click on Search over here. Your business's website, just use your landing page to your store over here. So you're just going to paste your landing page link over here. Click on Continue. Click on Start New over here. Over here, you can leave the campaign name as is. Leave this as Search and Display Network. Here, you just want to click on Enter Another Location, and you just want to go Nigeria as a whole country, because now we're going to only be running ads in Nigeria. For the languages, we can just go, for example, languages in Nigeria. We can take a look here, so mainly English, that's fine. So we can leave this at English by default. For your budget, what I like to do is I like to start off small. Even if it's at $5 a day, you create 4 separate ads at $5 a day, split test them, see which one performs the best, scale on that one that's getting the most clicks, views, and perhaps sales. For the bidding, you want to click on clicks, and you want to click on set maximum cost per click bid limit. You want to put, I would say, anything about $20. So let's just go about 200 Rand, which relates to about $20. That's just my currency. For site link extensions, you don't have to worry about that. Just click on save and continue over here. For your ad group, just leave this as is. For the keywords, this is where it kind of becomes crucial. So you want to put in rank for the keyword ebook writing. And you want to go, for example, how to design an ebook cover. How to write an ebook. You want to put keywords that people are going to search for in Nigeria that relates to your search term. These square brackets meaning you will only pop up for this exact keyword. If you, for example, type in the apostrophe like this and you go ebook writing, you will rank for any keywords related to ebook writing. If you just type in ebook writing broad match, you can also rank for book writing or book drawing or anything like that that is similar to book writing. So you'll see over here, have a look at these different controls which will trigger your ads over here. The square brackets is an exact match, the apostrophe is a phrase match, and the normal keyword like this is a broad match. I don't usually like to use broad match, but I'm just going to use one for the example of this ad. You can use them, but the thing is you want to rank for as specific keywords as possible. Once this is done and you want to rank for these keywords that relate to the service that you drop servicing, click on continue over here. It's going to save. This is where you create your ad. So the display URL is done for the ebook cover. For the headlines, I just put your Kindle ebook cover, book cover landing page, place your order, affordable price, protect your privacy. For the descriptions, we can go 70% off for new authors, and we can leave that as is. For the anything else, we can just click and continue. You can see this is what my ad is looking like over here. Once you've done all of this, you can maybe add another description if you want to. I just usually like to keep my ads basic like this with a little bit of text, not too much for the person or the lead to read. Once you're done, click on save and continue over here. You can see my ad is ready. It's just checking my campaign, and that's it. Once your ad is ready and running, you are going to get a lot of traffic, clicks on your website that will be interested in your service because obviously they've searched for it on Google and they've Googled it. And what you also want to do is, and this is something I really want to mention and emphasize on, is on your thank you page, when your leads enter their email, you want to collect emails through the Cartramail program over here. If I come over to my communications, if I come over to sequences over here, you can actually collect a whole bunch of different emails. I've probably collected about 10,000 emails so far, re-promote to them different coupons, other services related to ebook writing, and run a whole 60-day email marketing campaign to get tons of sales through your email list. So now you've got tons of sales coming through Google Ads, you've got tons of sales coming through your email list. It's a great way to really build an audience through an email list and monetize that through affiliate links. You can give them, for example, hey guys, here's a 40% discount for those of you that only open this email today, and that can convert into an easy 40, 50 sales in a day, which is well over $1,000 in a day in commissions. So that's how powerful it is to have an email list, and I highly recommend that. And over here is an entire six-figure drop servicing expert university that actually teaches you in depth how to create each and every landing page, how to run multiple stores at the same time. I'm actually going to go through it with you now quickly. It gives you lifetime access to the six-figure course valued at $3,000. You get an exclusive invite to the VIP drop servicing expert group valued at $497. Here you can chat to other students and six-figure students around the world. You get a list of your current, future, and top 3 service categories valued at $397. The winning ads and drop servicing combo that personally generates me $15,000 to $40,000 net profit per month. You also get the email marketing and drop servicing 60-day sequence super combo valued at $500, and also saving thousands of dollars with drop servicing hidden secrets, free targeted traffic tricks bonus module at $797 value. This is not the price, this is what it's valued at. Creating the ultimate brand that will sell your service even more. And this six-figure course teaches you how to drop service without a website bonus study and lecture as well. That is really amazing. So you can drop service completely for free without spending a cent, and you get one-on-one video mentoring with me lifetime. Over here, you also get number 10, the Done For You drop servicing agency given to you. This agency generated me over $98,000 profit in 2020. In this course, it is given to you completely for free and valued at nearly $10,000. The total value of this course comes down to about $19,000. It is currently on huge sale right now. The reason it's going for so cheap is because drop servicing works for me. I don't need to charge $2,000 for some ridiculous course. That's why I'm charging $397, but at the same time, this information is far too valuable and sensitive to be for free on YouTube. That's why I did decide to create a paid course. It was actually highly requested that people want a course from me because I was making so many videos of drop servicing on my channel. People wanted more. That's why I decided to release this. It was high in demand. So this over here is the code. Make sure you enter this on the checkout. Just copy this code over here. Click on this big blue button over here that says yes, sign me up. It will take you out to the checkouts over here. All you need to do is just paste this coupon here, click on the tick button, and it will take the course all the way down to $397. Now, for some people, this may be a lot of money, but one drop servicing sale from, if you apply the info in this course, will pay the course off. All your profits, your sales, and that is 100% yours. You don't owe me commissions, or you don't owe me a percentage or anything like that. It's all your own enterprise and business and agency that you have now been taught how to create, and it's all completely yours. Like I said, you don't owe me anything. And then once you check out for the course over here, you'll get an email to the private membership area of this course where you'll see me over there. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out this course, this page, and if you want to check out with it and go through everything that is included. You'll see I've got some students over here that have already succeeded in getting some good results from that. So without further ado, make sure to click on the first link in the description and I'll see you over here.